Welcome po sa ating programa, My Morning Manna with Pastor OJ. Buksan po natin ang ating mga Biblia sa aklat po ng Psalms, aklat ng mga awit, Kapitulo 59, versikulo 16. You have been my defense and refuge in the day of my trouble. Ulitin ko po, you have been my defense and refuge in the day of my trouble. My topic for this morning is caught in a danger. When David was about to be killed by Saul while playing the lyre, he managed to escape from possible death and declare that the Lord is his defense and refuge. Look at it. Despite of what David is facing in life, na-manage niya pa rin na magsabi, the Lord is my defense. What does it mean, mga kapatid? When we are facing trouble, always declare that God is our defense. When you are caught in danger, doon bang nahuli ka doon sa peligro na buhay, doon sa terrible na pangyayari, always declare that you, the Lord, is your defense. When caught in danger, God is not blinded and deaf that He cannot see or hear. Ibig pong sabihin na kung darating man ang pagsubok sa buhay, problema, hindi po ibig sabihin niya na kalimutan ka na ng Panginoon. Hindi po ibig sabihin niya na hindi ka na napapansin ng Lord o hindi naririnig yung dalangin mo. God is not blind. God is not deaf. God just allows some of these things in our lives for us to recognize that still God is our strength. God is not unaware of your present dilemma. If He took care of the birds, how much more to you? Huwag mong isipin, hindi naman ako naririnig ng Diyos. Huwag nating isipin na hindi tayo napapansin ng Panginoon. Ibon nga po, pinapakain ng Diyos. Bakit? Tayo pa kaya? Hindi kaya ang pagbigyan ng ating Panginoon? So my challenge for you this day is so simple. Always cling and believe on the power of God. When troubles call on you, call on God. Kung dumating man ang mga pagsubok sa buhay at tinatawag ka ng problema papalapit sa Kanya, tumawag ka sa Panginoon dahil siya lang po ang tugon at lunas ng ating mga pangangailangan. God bless po at magandang umaga.